Your request and our passion of fulfillment. Word problems for you as requested. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we'll take up a question from quadratic functions applications. Let me thank all the viewers and subscribers for watching my videos, posting excellent comments and suggestions. Now, based on your suggestions, we create videos as solutions. We have been doing this absolutely free for the last 15 years, and now almost 17,000 videos are there for you to watch. Every day, a new video is posted for you. Now, this request comes from Mr. Deepak, who wants to understand how do we solve word problems based on quadratic functions. And what we did was that we went through the set of past test papers, selected all the questions which satisfied his criteria. As you can see, group of questions are there. We are going to take solution of each one of them in this particular playlist. So watch carefully each and every video and get ready for future. Our students are on the success path. Join my classes. You can send an email on globalmathinstitute at gmail.com and we can help you to succeed. Now, let us see how do we solve the question at hand. Now, in this question, we are given that at Bell Park, a landscaper wishes to plant a uniform border of tulips on the outside of the rectangular garden with dimensions of 18 meters by 12 meters. The total area, including the border, is 333.25 meters square. How wide should the border of tulip be to the nearest centimeter? Question taken from past test paper. You can always pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Now, when we are working on word problems, it is good to visualize. So, let's make a diagram to illustrate the situation. So, we have a rectangular park here. So, I am drawing a rectangular park outside boundary, and the inside boundary is the garden. We are given dimensions of the inside boundary, correct? So what we are given here, 18 by 12. So this is like 18 and that is 12. What do we need to find is the width of this portion, right? Where the tulips will be planted. Now we need to find this. So let us assume that the width of this border, right, let the width be x meters. So first define your variables. Now, if this width is x meters, we are trying to say that let's look into this corner, right? So x on this side, right? X on this side, and also we have x on these two sides also. Extend it to x. Now, if you do that, you can very clearly see that the outside rectangle dimensions should be what? It should be 18 plus 2x as length and 12 plus 2x as the width. Is that clear to you? So once this diagram is clear, the question is not all that difficult. Now we are also given some decimal values, so get ready with the quadratic formula, right? So now we can write down our equation. We are given that the total area including the border means outside area. So the total area is 333.25. That should be equal to How much? 18 plus 2x times 12 plus 2x, correct? So this is the equation which you need to solve. Only one variable, you can always, extend this. Let's do it. So we have 333.25 equals to, so we need a calculator. We can multiply 18 by 12 and get 216 plus 18 by 2x, 36x, 2x by 12, 24x, and 2x by 2x, 4x squared. So we have this equation 333.25 equals to the number 216 plus 36 plus 24, 60x plus 4x squared. So that's the quadratic equation we need to solve. Let's bring all the terms together. So I'm writing here 4x squared plus 60x plus 216 minus 333.25 equals to 0. So now to solve this, best thing to do is to use the quadratic formula, right? So let's take it to the next page. We have 4x squared plus 60x. Let's write down. So we have 4x squared plus 60x plus 216 minus this number 333.25 equals to 0. So let's do this. 216 minus 333.25 is equal to, in decimals, 117. So we have 4x squared plus 60x minus 117.25 equals to 0. Now you need to find the value of x. You can use the quadratic formula, right? So we know the formula, x equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a, right? So in our case, we know a is 4, right? B is 60 and c is minus 117.25. Perfect. Now you can substitute these values in the formula, get the answer. So I hope the steps are absolutely clear. Well, in case you want to learn from me, send an email on the address globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Our students really succeed if they are right on the top. You can follow the success path. We can be part of your success. Correct. So let's continue. Let's find the value of x, substituting the values, which is minus 60 plus minus square root of 60 square, right? And minus 4 times a is 4, right? Times c, which is minus 117.25, right? Square root. Divided by 2 times a is 4, correct? So let's again use the calculator. We have minus 60 plus minus. Here we have 8. Let's do this part. 60 squared minus. Now minus and minus will become plus, right? So 4 times 4 times, we can write within brackets, minus 117.25 bracket close equal to, we get 5476 and we'll do square root of this, right? Square root is equal to 74. So we have minus 60 plus minus 74. And remember one thing, that this width x has to be greater than 0, right? It is non-negative, right? It's a width. So from here we can take minus 60 plus 74 over 8, right? And that gives you how much? So let's do it. So we have 74 minus 60, and then we are going to divide this by 8, and it gives you a value 7 by 4, which is 1.75 meters. Is that clear to you? So now you can write down that the width of this border of tulip should be 1.75 meters. So I hope Solution is absolutely clear. So we typed out the solution for you just for your convenience, right? So here is a neat version of it. So remember, write a complete sentence as your answer with the units. This is key. And once again, in case you want to learn from me, send an email on globalmathinstitute at gmail.com. Our students are right there on the top, and we can be part of your success story. Thanks for your time and all the best.